Hey, kids. Hey, this is the other one from the website, but I really want to show you this because it's super cool if you actually understand what the heck is going on. So if you look here, here's a point source, here's a point source, and if you look along this blue, or along this line right here, along that line, along right there, do you see how always like this wave is moving, this wave is moving, this wave is moving, this wave is moving, this wave is moving? Do you see how those two waves are going to constructively interfere? Well, what does that mean? You're going to get a big wave. Well, that happens along this red line too. Do you see how these waves are always going to be moving together? Constructive interference. So you're going to get this big thing. Whereas if you look along this line, do you see how, I'll move it with this. Do you see how there, from one source it's the line and the other source it's the gap? So again, so along this blue one, you see how one source, this source is the line, this source, there's a gap right there. That's destructive interference. So if you were looking at this, if it was light, it would be bright, dark, bright, dark, bright. If it was sound, it would be loud, soft, loud, soft. It would be constructive, destructive interference. So I hope that makes sense, and it's really cool too if you do things like, hey, I want to move them closer together, and you can see what that does. You can see how the pattern shifts. Again, you can see right along here, you're getting constructive. Right along there, you're getting destructive. If I move it back, but let's say I change the wavelength to 2 now. Geez, I get tons of them. Pretty cool stuff. All right. Bye, kids.